think, think, think. Anything, anything, anything. Thank, thank, thank. Everything, everything, everything. Thing, thing, thing. Healthy, healthy, healthy. Three, three, three. Mouth, mouth, mouth. Two out, two out, two out. Tooth, tooth, tooth. Father, father, father. They, they. Mother, mother, mother. Bed, bed, bed. Brother, brother, brother. Believe, believe, believe. The, the. Weather, weather, weather. This, this. Other, other, other. The first thing is think before you speak. The second thing is treasure everything. The third thing is nothing is impossible. These three suggestions have helped me a lot throughout my life. Don't hurt other people with the words. The first thing is think before you speak. The second thing is treasure everything. The third thing is nothing is impossible. These three suggestions have helped me a lot throughout my life. Don't hurt other people with words. The first thing is think before you speak. The second thing is treasure everything. The third thing is nothing is impossible. These three suggestions have helped me a lot throughout my life. Don't hurt other people with words. I am thankful that I am thoroughly training my mouth to speak English smoothly, although it's not always easy. I breathe deeply when I speak. My throat relaxes. I feel strength throughout my body. Although thinking is something difficult, they are wrong. They are wrong. Like others, I think positively. Therefore, I improve and grow healthier, wealthier, and more successful. I thrive as I improve my pronunciation. Although I know success takes time, I am not bothered. There will always be another challenge in life, but nothing scares me. I believe my mouth smiles. I feel thoroughly healthy and so happy. I am succeeding and thriving through daily practice. Good. Good. Thank for watching video, and
and good night.